The sliding window catches on the Hymer vans have an unfortunate habit of breaking where the slide goes round the corner. It can be repaired with a bit of tape like this one, but in time it will fail. Fortunately, repair kits are available, and I aim here to show you how to install a new kit. The first job is to remove the plastic fittings on the slide. The fittings are not attached to the slide but are pushed into the metal track on either side of the slide. Take the clip out by putting a screwdriver under the edge here and gently prising it up. Like so. Once all the clips are out, you then need to slide the plastic slider fully to the right so that you can get the end of it out through the little nick in the frame. Get it sufficiently far to the right, undo the window stay on the right hand side. Slide to the right all the way so that the end of the left-hand end of the slide is below the opening, and you can then push it back and start pulling it out. You'll find a metal clip underneath the strip that just tensions the strip when it's in place. The new slider in through the gap. The only tricky bit is where there's a cutout, you have to make sure it stays inside the grooves. Installing the strip, don't forget to put the little tensioning spring in place, like so. Once the slide is fully in, we can reattach the window stay. Installing the new catches, simply a matter of pushing them into the slide. The central piece has little hooks in there which you can bend back with a screwdriver to snap into place. There's one, there's the other. So now we have a window that will slide. We just need to add the remaining pieces, which just push in there. Screwdriver just to push this lip in. Bit of a push and it's in. And there's a finished job. A couple of tips. Before you take the old fittings off, make a careful note of where each one goes so you can put it back in the right place. And when inserting the plastic strip, the short end goes in first rather than the long end. By short end you can see the distance between the end and the first fitting, that's the short end. Here the distance between there and the first fitting is the long end.